Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing three birds. One's a parakeet and the other two I don't know what their names are. And this is the ones we're going to be drawing. The first one we're going to be drawing is this. And then we're going to be drawing this. Then we're going to be drawing this. And that's what we're going to be drawing today. And these are what we need before starting the video. We need the color blue. We need the color gray. We need the color yellow. We need the color green and orange. And importantly, we need a pencil and we need a pen. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, let's get started now.
I don't know. Okay, ready?
First, we are going to draw the head. These birds kind of fat looking. Okay, now we're going to make the shape of the head. Make a little fat shape here. And we're going to keep on going and make a big fat oval body. That's like a blob. Okay. Now we're going to make it a little bit bent over like here. And there. We made the fat looking body. It kind of looks like a potato. It kind of looks like a potato. No, okay, sideways, but still. Now we're going to be drawing the fat looking beak.
Ready?
Okay. Fat looking beak looks fat. Oh boy, fat chunky beak. Chubby little beak. Okay. Now we're going to be drawing the eyes right close here. Okay. We're just gonna draw circles for the eyes because it's really easy. Now we're going to draw the little detail thingies over here. Now we are going to be drawing these thingies under the eyes. Ta-da! Okay, now we're going to be drawing the weird looking wing. It's a chubby little wing. And now we're going to be drawing these weird looking legs. The tail. Thingies. And now we're going to draw the legs. Now we're going to be adding the belly. And now we're going to be tracing. Okay, now we're going tracing, but I'm just gonna skip the part where I'm tracing, so it might take too long. And so I'll see you back when I'm done tracing. Now we have already traced our bird. You should already have it traced. It should be looking like this. You did it right. Now we're going to use the markers we need. Okay.
Ready?
Okay, we're gonna be using the blue. Put a little bit of these. Okay, now we're gonna color these little parts blue. Okay, we're still gonna use blue later, but now we're going to use yellow, our most important color. And we are just gonna color this yellow. And now we're going to use blue and green for the belly and the tail. First, we're going to be using green. Now we're going to use blue and smudge a little bit on top of the green. Now we have finished one bird. Now the next one on the list is this pan. Now we are going to draw that bird. This could be a little bit faster. I'm just going to draw with the pen. Okay. Now we're going to draw the tail, which we already did. And now we're going to draw the beak. All these little things. And then we are going to draw the eyes. First, we're just going to make these eyes. And then we're going to put those white little thingies on top of them. Now we're going to draw the wing. Now we're going to draw the little green parts to be here, and then the last part, the legs. Okay, last but not least, the feet. Okay. Now we're done with all the details, and now we're going to be coloring. We need green. And then we need a little bit of orange. Okay, and now we're going to be using this orange. Okay. Okay, now we're going to put the yellow on top. It could be lighter. Okay. Okay. Now is this little one to go down here and add a little bit more yellow over here. Now we are going to do the little yellowish part here. Okay, now we finished that bird. One more bird to go. Go. Okay. Now the last bird, we're just going to do the same shape with these other two birds. Okay. Tails. Now we are going to be adding the details to the bird since I already draw the shape and the eyes and the beak and stuff. We're going to adding these details. Okay, let's go now. Now we're going to be drawing the belly and doing the same thing with this one. The belly design. And that one. And then the tail is going to be a little bit green. Now we're going to be coloring this part now. Just going to go like this. And we're going to go like... And we're going to use the blue to do this part. And then, most importantly, we need the gray. Where's the gray here? Okay. Before we were doing the gray, we have to be doing the yellow. Okay. Now we're going to be coloring the rest of the bird. I'm just gonna skip it. Okay. Also coloring the beak, like I did with the black pen. And there we've made 3 nice, beautiful birds. Form looking heart, but still. Okay. Now please like and subscribe for these 3 weird birds and the deformed looking heart. But okay. Stay tuned in my next video and please like and subscribe. Bye bye.